What's up, guys? I just got some fresh snapper. I was at the beach and the fisherman just came in with a good boatload of fish, and snapper was looking good. So, what's a better way to eat that? Is curry, good fish curry. So, that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get cooking. Let's get So guys, not all the spices, but the chili powder is actually the Gorima's mixed masala. So it's definitely going to be tasting good. Okay, so once the onions and spices are now fried, so now I'm going to add some tomatoes which have been blended. That's going to slowly cook, and then some tomato paste as well, just to give it a bit of a kick. Okay, so now we're just going to add some salt and also some sugar as well, just to balance the acidity. And then we're going to close that and let it cook out. Okay, so now that the oil has come up, time to add some tamarind water and then let that cook in for about a minute or so. It's looking good. Okay, this is looking lovely. The tamarind's now cooked in, and the good part is it's now time to add some fish. My mouth is watering already. Okay, so now this is going to cook for about 15 hot minutes. But yeah, you definitely can't move the fish around and mix it because it'll break up. So maybe just a turn, flip it over. But yeah, that's going to cook now, and I can't wait to eat this. If you can only get the smell of this, it's driving me crazy. Time is up. It's now cooked. Fish nice and firm. I'm just gonna switch it off now. Let him soak in those juices, and then it's time to eat. Right, it's now time to eat. Let's dig in. So I got some pap with the fish. Let's dig in the gravy first. Flavorful and spicy. Now let's get some nice meat. That did come out good. Ooh, that's hot on the finger. Check it out. On the next piece, got some good chili. It's definitely good. Here's a good piece with some chili. I'm gonna enjoy this now. It's hitting the spot. The chili too. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you do get red snapper or any good fish, try out this recipe and let me know. It's definitely good. Cheers.